I've been stuck down in front of my mama. Hey, my daddy commissary's been in the commas. Hey, bitch, all my grandma's dead. So ain't nobody praying for me. I'm on your head. Hey, look, 90 millions later, no the fans watch. I can get my telegram like Peacock. I be nigga not a damn on Stockton. I don't do it for the gram, I do it for. I'm willing to die for the shit. You don't know what to be live for the shit. We ain't cool with the blood, really selling dope. You maniacs rap niggas better know. Hold up, see, if I gotta slap a pussy ass nigga, I'ma make it look sexy. Whoa, if I gotta go hard on the bitch, I'ma make it look sexy. What we do, I pull up, hop out, and rock. Make it look sexy. Hey, they won't take me in my element. Nah, take me. I'm a legendary bitch, nigga, ayy. An imaginary bitch, nigga, ayy. 7 figure, slimming through my bitch, nigga, ayy. That's digital, that's physical, all your, ayy.
Bunch of criminals and money in my phone
Hold
calls.
up, be okay, we let the A1 fly. Relocate, jump on the same G5. They check it for me heavy cause I know, yeah, I know. They never been ready, yeah, I know, yeah, I know. Honey case bread, cut the flow, cut the flow. Ain't nobody fucking with the flow, yeah, flow.
Years in the making, they don't mistake it.
I got a wide landslide, we talk about races. You can go with me, look at their faces. Careers paid off, you gotta be patient. That's 1, that's 5, that's other, that's lie, that's jig, that's it. Oh, if I gotta slap a pussy ass nigga, I'ma make it look sexy. If I gotta go hard on a bitch, I'ma make it look sexy. I pull up, hop out, and roll, make it look sexy. Hey, they won't take me in my element.
Nah, take me on my element.
Is anybody alive right now? Can you tell them what we do? I pull up, hop out, and roll, make it look sexy. They won't take me out my element. Nah, take me out my element. Alright, so check it out. We come all the way from Compton, California, Los Angeles, California to be exact. I've been fucking with y'all for a minute, but I want to see how long y'all been fucking with us, you know? Let's take it all the way back to 2011, Section 80 type shit. I know a few of y'all out here. Fuck that. 8 doobies to the face. 12 bottles in the case. 2 pills in the halfway. Got a high tolerance when your age don't exist.